Hi everyone, my name is Sergio. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do a factory unlock or semi-factory unlock or sim unlock an iPhone XR originally from Sprint. I'm gonna sound very repetitive, but in this occasion this iPhone has been updated to the latest iOS, which is iOS 14.5 beta 3. Just I would like to always stay ahead. If something happened to the new iOS, if it's not going to be working, I need to find solutions and I need to find shortcuts for me to be able to still using the smart card or any RSIM that I sell to my customers. So that's why I'm going to sound very repetitive. It's going to be the same unlock, same steps for the new ones, for my new viewers, or for my new followers. This is the way I unlock any iPhone. It can be iPhone 6s up to the 12 Pro Max. In this case, this is an iPhone XR originally from Sprint, and we are going to try to unlock this iPhone to be working or to be sim unlock to work with Spectrum Mobile. Spectrum Mobile belongs or uses Verizon network, and as everybody knows, Verizon used to be a CDMA, but since they did the upgrade on the antennas and they moved to 5G, so they moved from CDMA to GSM. So there's no more. Our three major carriers in the US, AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon, are GSM. If you are using Boost Mobile, unfortunately Boost Mobile is still on their CDMA, and those won't work with any of the RSIMs. Okay, there is no other RSIMs that can work with the CDMA network, so FYI. Okay, so with that being said, let's jump in to unlock this iPhone. This iPhone has been recently updated to the iOS 14.5 beta 3, and hopefully it's going to be working perfectly. It just finished, as you can see, it just finished doing the update this is the beta 14.5 18E5140K iPhone XR, and this iPhone, it is sim lock. You press on it and it'll give you the whole this device may be restricted to the original carrier and our certain capabilities and limited. Okay, so I'm not worry about this. I already verified the IMEI number. I'm gonna drop the description or a link where you can check your IMEI number. Also, if you need a new ICCID numbers as well, you can get them from that link. This smart card will be on Amazon, so you can get it from. Okay, perfect. So let's jump in. I'm going to take this out. There's no SIM, and like I said, I already verified the IMEI number and it's clean. As long as your iPhone is not reported lost or stolen by the original carrier, you're good to go. So obviously this phone is gonna ask me SIM not supported. Just gonna wait. Here we go, guys. SIM not supported. So if this is you, welcome to my world. So what I'm going to do, I'm put this on the side, and this is the smart card. This you don't need. It is a regular triple cut SIM card. I already configure every single one. It goes active, so you don't have to do anything. You don't have to put them on unlock iPhone and then do the configuration. You don't have to do none of that. I see a lot of other guys doing that they send you just the smart card and you have to do everything yourself. You had to look for an unlock iPhone. You had to program them. You have to do basically the whole the whole configuration. In my case, you don't have to do it. I do it for you. Everything I'm done, every single one is going to be sent out working for you. The only thing you need to do is plug that in and follow the steps. When I said follow the steps, they're really simple. So this is brand new. I already configured this one. So I'm gonna cut it because I need a nano side. And here's if you need any other regular SIM card or micro SIM card, you can choose from. But as you know, everything is nano side nowadays. So this is my smart card. I'm gonna put on my SIM tray, just like a regular SIM card. Okay, and when I said follow the steps, this is the steps that you need to follow. So I'm gonna plug that in. It's gonna take us to the activation screen. You just dismiss. We're gonna try to unlock our iPhone. Just put your passcode, and then it's gonna say that software is completed. In your case, it can be 14.4. Before you do any unlocking, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS, which is 14.4. Or if you're using the beta program as well, 14.5. But for regular people or regular users, 14.4. Okay, if you don't update it before the unlocking, it will set SIM not supported. FYI. Okay, we're just gonna wait for the iPhone to waiting for the activation screen. Sorry guys for the lag. Let me just fix that real quick. You can see better. Okay, so they send me right away to the activation lock. Here you have two options. You can do it regular, put in your iCloud account, your email and password, or you can choose unlock with passcode, which is the one that unlock your phone. So I always do the choose some passcode. I'm gonna put my passcode, and we'll ask you one more time, passcode. If the little window comes up, don't worry about it. Just cancel it, and we'll take you to the activation screen. Back to where you at. So I'm gonna dismiss because it says my passcode is incorrect. I'm just gonna put it one more time. That is normal. And there you go. My iPhone has been unlocked. So before I was not able to use any SIM card. In this case, I'm gonna back to settings, general, about, iPhone XR, 14.5. In your case, can be 14.4. And this is the good part. What it says, SIM lock. SIM no restrictions. Okay. So this iPhone has been semi-factory unlocked to use with any GSM carrier. Okay, just FYI, GSM carrier only. So I'm gonna put my regular Spectrum SIM card. Once again, this is gonna take me to the activation. Waiting for the signal. Gonna take out the Wi-Fi because we don't need it. And it's LTE. So I'm just gonna wait for the signal to come up. There you go. I'm gonna close everything. I'm gonna back to settings, back to general, about. Now, same thing. iPhone 14.5 in my case, and yours 14.4, XR, SIM restrictions, and now it's detecting Spectrum. Network Spectrum. So we're good to go. Let's make a test call like I always do.
Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. This call may be monitored or recorded. Para español.
Okay, so the phone has been semi-factory unlocked. With this semi-factory unlock, you're not able to wipe it out to new, or if you have to, something happened to your phone and you need to make a new, do not throw this away. Keep it with you, keep it handy, because you might need it in the future to unlock once again. If the new update is gonna come out soon, the 14.5, go to settings, software, where it says automatic software update, mine is on. Make sure yours is on as well. This is the safest way to keep your semi-factory lock going to new iOS's 14.5, 14.6, 7 to the 15. This is the safest way to keep your new updates going. Just turn it on, leave it on, and don't worry about it. You don't have to worry about it. Other words, you can take this off, turn it off, and then you have to check if it's a new update. So you just scroll down and it's gonna say updated to the new OS, but I recommend it for you guys. Just leave it on just in case. Some people like to do the updates via iTunes. I don't recommend that. If you do it, you're gonna lose the unlock. Okay, so don't do the updates via iTunes or connect it to the computer. Turn this to on and you're ready to go. So you don't have to worry about the new updates. The system is going to do automatically overnight when it's connected to Wi-Fi. Don't worry thinking if you're going to be using your data, because it's not. The iPhone will do it at midnight, and always is going to be looking for Wi-Fi. As long as you are connected to Wi-Fi, the new iOS comes, I don't know, if they said it comes tonight, your iPhone will be automatically do over the night. If you don't have Wi-Fi, the iPhone will be wait for you until Wi-Fi is available for the iPhone to do the update. So with that being said, you're safe to go. Let me know any questions, problems. Shoot me an email, text. I'm gonna drop the description where you can get this from. Hope you like the video. Let me know. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay, bye bye.